Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one I will put on the right. Later that we divide both sides by cosine y. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. So this one we have secant of y. Now we have the formula in here. So the integration of x to the power of 6, we have 7x to the power of 7 over 7, and I will put about c. This one we have ln of the absolute value of secant of y plus tan y. And this one we have s to the power of number 7. This is the end. Thank you for watching.